Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we have the Portronics Aero portable desk fan with us. This device will be really helpful if you are traveling somewhere or if you are working on a desk and we need additional cooling or if you need a backup fan during power shutdown. I got this from Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video. This is a white orange color model. I'm not sure if they have any other color models, but this one looks pretty overall. This is powered by 3 blades and inside we have a copper brushless motor. This weighs around 350 grams, not that heavy to carry as well. This is the box. Inside the box, along with the fan, we also get this warranty information card, this user manual and USB-A to USB-C cable. At the front, we have this power on, power off button. We can also use this button to change the fan speed. At the back, we have the USB-C port. We can use the cable which we got with the fan. At the bottom, they have this small hook. We can use this to make it as a small ceiling fan as well. This is overall a minimal fan design which I really like. We have 3 adjustable speed levels on this fan. Low level speed 1 with 2000 RPM, medium level speed 2 with 2500 RPM and high level speed 3 with 3000 RPM. This will function from 2 hours to maximum 8 hours, but it purely depends on the fan speed level and the fan noise will also depend on this. We can also rotate the fan like this. According to whatever preference we have, we can change the direction. If you want it to be up, we can do it like this. You can do it like this if you want it to be down. Let's start the fan now. We have to press this button once to turn it on. You can listen to the sound now. This is the low level. This is the medium level. This is the high level. And now we press it again, it will turn off. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. The fan speed is pretty decent for its size because portability is very important as well. Suppose if you are traveling by train or we have a small baby who needs additional cooling during summertime or during power cut, this could come really handy during those times and we'll be happy that we have one as a backup. I would say the best part about this portable fan is the USB Type-C charging. Inside the fan, we have 2400 mAh rechargeable battery. They mentioned we should charge the fan for 2 hours before the first use, so we can consider that. We can also use our power bank to recharge the fan and use it whenever we want, especially when we are traveling. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly let us know your questions or thoughts about this portable desk fan in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.